All right, guys, so basically this is the full strategy backtester of the refined version of our trading system, right? So it was previously dollar pro gold EA, but now we're having profit magnet V1, right? Version 1. And this is going to cover a period of from 1st of January 2025 to 1st of January 2026, right? So a period of 1 year, right? We are going to backtest and see how this particular version would have performed, right, from January 2025 up till date, right? So we are going to see this together, right? It's going to be not very long video. We are going to make it like I'm going to make it like faster. Since it's a backtest video, I'm going to make it faster so we can wrap up everything in like a couple of minutes. So just stay patiently and see everything for yourself, right? So it's on the deposit is 10,000, right? And $10,000 on XAUUSD, no manual interference, right? So the parameters are set and everything is set and is running right now. Okay, so just watch closely and monitor the equity, right? Just monitor the equity and see how a $10,000 account would perform from January till like a 1 year time frame, right? All right, let's go. So currently we have a balance of over 16,000. Just focus on the equity. I'm not going to say much. Just keep your eyes on the whole, the equity, the balance, the positions, the lot sizing, the stop loss, take profit, and all of that, right? And see how this account is doing, right? Or how the EA is performing. All right. So I'm just going to sit back and watch. We're all going to see together how it goes, right? So right now we have over $20,000. So basically, I just wanted to focus on how the equity, right, performs, right? How the equity moves. Just focus on how the equity behave across the entire month and throughout the year, right? So right now we are at $21,000, okay? So currently we are at $24,000 and it's just the third month of the year, right? This is March 2025, right? And we are at, from $10,000 we are at $24,000 right now. That's 300%. We are still sitting at $25,000, right? Still in March. Just check the timestamp, right? From the history, just check the timestamp. We are currently in March. So right now we are sitting at $30,000, right? This is 300% profit, right? From January, right, up until now we are in April, right? So we've made over 300% with a very conservative risk and no manual interference. Right now there's 2,000, right? You can see the equity is fluctuating, right? The equity is fluctuating, meaning we are having just a few drawdowns, but at the end of the day we are still on the profitable side, right? $10,000, we have a balance of $33,000 right now. All right, so we are just going to see everything together. So right now, April, and we are still sitting at over $30,000, right? Over $30,000 in April, right? So basically this test is meant to show the behavior of this system, right, throughout the previous year. The behavior of this EA, how would it perform in the market if you were using this particular system to trade, right, in 2025? How would it have performed? That's just basically the whole point of this backtesting, right? So right now we are sitting at $42,000, right? And we are just in April. From a $10,000 account, we are currently sitting at $42,000. Right now, can you see that? $62,000. Now, the whole of this the sole aim of this backtest, right, is not just to track the equity and the profit figure alone, right? That's not the sole aim, right? Is actually to see and observe, right, monitor, take a close look and all of that, and see how this would perform without any manual intervention, right? No manual intervention, just the fixed the default parameters, and this is what we are having right now. Over $70,000, and we are in the month of June. After 6 months, from $10,000 without no manual interference, right, we are at $94,000. Okay, $94,000. This is crazy, bro. This is crazy, bro. Oh my days. I'm not meant to, like, it's just a back test, but this is crazy. I know it's a back test, but believe me, without any manual intervention, and it is performing at this level, right? So we are currently sitting at over $160,000. Over $160,000. So currently we are in August, right? Over $164,000, right? In the month of August. And now, one thing I want you to notice, right? We are not making all these profits, right, in just one lucky run, like one lucky month and let's say one lucky day, right? We made all this entire profit. No, right? It's a gradual process, right? A consistent run, right? Compounding all these profits day after day, right? We are compounding day after day. It's not just a process whereby all the profits just came into the account just in one trading session or in a space of 1 week, right? No, it's just a gradual process. We are compounding as the day goes by, right? And right now we are sitting at over $200,000, bro, right? Now there are months where the performance are slower, right? There are months where the performance are slower, and also there are months where we get some really good results and really nice consistent run, right? So currently over $200,000. Over $200,000. And there's no manual intervention. Everything is the default settings of the robot, right? So if you just get this robot connected, this is exactly what you're going to get, right? Default setting. All right, so right now in the month of October, from a $10,000 account, right, we are sitting at $217,000. $217,000, right? Crazy. This is superb, amazing. consistent run, consistent profits, right? Everything consistent, the risk management is in check, and this is just how it goes. This is just how it goes. So we are still in the month of November. We're still in the month of November. Oh. $215,000 right now. $215,000. I think there are periods where the results are not really coming like back to back, right? It's just little profits, and it just keep progressing, right? Like the month of October is one of them, right? We are still sitting at 215. Okay, we are in September. We are in November right now, and we have $215,000, right? So you see, the period between October and November is not really the progress is not really you understand, it's not moving at a very high frequency, but at the end of the day we are still making profits, right? So this is an amazing result, right? This is really amazing result, right? With the basic settings, no manual intervention, no set file and all of that, right? This is the basic setting, and this is the result we are having. $10,000 in less than 11 months. We are sitting at $216,000 with a very minimal risk. That's something you need to take note of. So we are currently in the month of December, and you can see like the past 2 months, right? It's not really spiking up, right? It's just a very like just little profits here and there, and it's still progressing. At the end of the day, the most important thing is about the system following the set rules, right? The set parameters, and executing that way consistently. That's the whole essence of automation. All right, so we are almost rounding up December, and we are having $218,000, bro. This is wow, bro. From a $10,000 deposit, right? I think I'm overreacting because it's just a back test, right? This is not real money, it's just a back test. It's a strategy tester, right? But at the end of the day, this is the result, right? We would have had if we're using this exact system. $10,000, we are at $218,000, right? So look at the graph, right? You can see it's all the way up, and a few drawdowns. So you can take a pause and take a close look, right, on how this system performs, and understand how this system performs in a live market condition, right? So I'm going to see you in the next video.